1-bedroom apartment. 69 Whitecroft Works. A well-presented and spacious rooftop 1-bedroom apartment. Finished and in the Whitecroft Works development. Handily placed for both public transport and with excellent road links, it's also just a short walk from the city centre. The property is furnished to a good standard. Letting information. Date available: the 30th of June 2018. Furnishing. Furnished. Deposit: £695. Added on: the 20th of June 2018, 52 minutes ago. Key features: a very well presented and proportioned modern property. Available end of June 2018. Close to city centre. Close to university and hospital. Courtyard. Furnished. Great location. Must be viewed. No access. No pets. Full description.